Hello there. So, I figured that it's finally time for me to make a video saying which fire alarm is the loudest. How will I determine how loud each alarm is? I'll do this by going by how loud I believe each alarm is. I will first determine the loudest alarm from each individual company, and then at the end I'll determine which alarm in total is the loudest. System sensor fire alarms. In the system sensor company, we have fire alarms such as the system sensor MOS, ADA MOS, special light plastic, special light advanced, system sensor Xenon L series, and system sensor LED L series. I've noticed that the special light plastic seems to have more of a quiet horn sound than the special light advanced has a louder horn sound, but that device is not the loudest system sensor product. I believe the system sensor MOS and ADA MOS are the loudest system sensor products. Wheellock fire alarms. Now, I know that some of Wheellock's products have been rebranded by Siemens, but I'm still going to go over those products in this slide and not the Siemens slide. The Wheellock AS, MT, NS, and ZNS and Aceta seem to be some of the loudest alarms from that company, but I think the NS is the loudest Wheellock product. Siemens Cerberus Pyrotronics fire alarms. Now, the Siemens Cerberus Pyrotronics fire alarms are on a whole different level. I've seen the design of those things, and in my opinion, I do not think any other fire alarm from any other company can be louder than the devices Siemens/Cerberus Pyrotronics from Siemens Cerberus Pyrotronics. The Siemens UMMT horn strobe seems to be the loudest one based on what I've heard other people say about it, as well as other Siemens devices that look similar to the UMMT. Simplex fire alarms. Now, the Simplex horn strobes have kind of the same horn tone on each of their devices, but I believe the ones that look rectangular shaped and have the strobe going horizontal are louder than the Simplex True Alerts. One example of the rectangular shaped Simplex alarms that I'm referring to is the Simplex 4903-9252 horn strobe, and I believe alarms like that are louder than the Simplex True Alert horn strobes. EST fire alarms. When it comes to EST, you can have either the Genesis, pre-integrity, or integrity. The EST and Genesis may be small, but I definitely think that one is the loudest of all EST products, louder than the pre-integrity and integrity horn strobes. I think the pre-integrity and integrity horn strobes, given the way the horn sounds, are quieter than the EST Genesis horn strobes. So which one do I think is the loudest of all fire alarms on this list? Well, I saw a video once that showed a loudness battle between the Wheellock NS, AS, System Sensor Advanced, EST Genesis, Simplex True Alert, System Sensor L Series, Simplex 2901-9838, and Wheellock Bell. And the results from that video showed the Wheellock NS was the loudest fire alarm. But compare the NS to fire alarms not mentioned in the above list, and I would say that it is not as loud as literally any Siemens/Cerberus Pyrotronics of a fire alarm. So, in the end, I believe that the alarms from the Siemens/Cerberus Pyrotronics company are the loudest to ever exist. The end. So that's the end of this video. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you in my next video. Also, comment below if you agree with me that the loudest fire alarms are the Siemens Cerberus Pyrotronics fire alarms, or comment what other alarm you think is the loudest.